Secure Access Service Edge is an emerging cybersecurity concept that Gartner described in August of 2019. According to Gartner, existing network approaches and technologies no longer provide the level of security and access control digital organizations need. These organizations demand immediate, uninterrupted access for their users wherever they are located. So with that, let's dive in and take a closer look into the Secure Access Service Edge. So when we talk about the Secure Access Service Edge, the first thing we need to acknowledge is that the corporate perimeter as we know it is a thing in the past. The corporate perimeter is no longer a single location anymore. The corporate perimeter can be anywhere, meaning we now have to empower our corporate users to work from anywhere. For this transition to work efficiently, we need to shift our network and network security capabilities to be delivered not from the data center, but from the cloud. These capabilities are a set of dynamic services created per user when and where you need it based on predefined policy. That's what we call Secure Access Service Edge or SASE. Secure Access Service Edge or SASE is digital business transformation. The data center is no longer the center of the universe. The data center is shrinking. Our data, some of it may be in the data centers, but most of it is outside. The model where the data center is in the middle and we send all our data into the data center does not work. That model doesn't lend itself to have a digital business or anytime, anywhere access to any application. Our users, our partners, our contractors are everywhere. They need access to applications, including SaaS applications. With SASE, instead of the data center being at the center of the universe, the user is put at the center of the universe. If we consider every user becoming their own perimeter, then the perimeter will become this dynamically policy-based edge that's provisioned when and where you need it. The context in which we define the user would decide on the policies to be used and how user traffic should be treated. What do we mean by context? It could be the location of the user, their identity, the role they have in the organization, the device they are coming in on, the security posture of the device. Is it a managed device or unmanaged? Is it patched and up to date? Is it encrypted? All this is context. Also, what if the user is handling sensitive data? Can they upload and download this sensitive content from the cloud? Should they upload or download this content? Do they have the right permissions? A good SASE offering can enforce these policies. A good SASE solution can use risk-based and policy-based decisions. It can detect if the download contains malware or an attack. With a proper SASE solution, you mitigate the risks at a cloud level before you even download the risky file. Another great feature of a good SASE offering is it can scan for sensitive data and malware on a single pass. If this information was useful and you like to find out more about the Sprint Network's SASE framework for ANZ organizations, please contact us using the link below.